it out.
Smoked out banjo.
Hard tone.
What's up, YouTube? Jose here at modfx.
It's Randall.
Anderson.
It's a 5.7, by the way.
Yeah.
Y'all have seen this charger before. He got the Widebody kit, and so my man got the carbon fiber fiber. We got a few more mods to show you, so let's check them out real quick.
All right, so we got the carbon fiber trunk. This was where'd you get it? Abaza?
Abaza,
Yeah. So I was looking like it was a little mess in there, but
So he has the real carbon fiber trunk. Also, he has a carbon fiber wicker bill. If you want it, that's available. We sell these as well. Then we have a full carbon fiber spoiler. So it's not vinyl, it's not hydro-dip, it's real carbon fiber on the spoiler and the trunk. And so, and this right here is the Luxe Auto Concepts tent.
well, you're probably gonna take it off and put it gloss black because it's a little bit it's kind of contrasting a little bit too much.
You know, he has a chrome and carbon kit, which is one of the first ones that came out. Now, he has the Belgian wheels on here right now. These are the Belgian VMB9 wheels. And so, he had to put spacers on here to get the wheels pushed out. As with any wide body kit, you're going to want to get 3-piece wheels. And so, my man got 3-piece wheels, and we're going to show you what he's working with. So, let's keep going.
Ooh, we got a little first. I ain't finished yet, but we got the Braum seats, harness bar, and 5-point harness seat belts, which that's getting worked on right now as we speak. I should go ahead and knock his car out. You want to check? You know what? We might go to the other side, but you can kind of see that we're working on his stuff right now. Everything's kind of taken apart. We'll skip to the other side real quick just so you can see the actual seats on the other side. So you can see he's got his Braum seats on there. Got his harness, 5-point. I got to put the other two on right now. I'm taking it apart again and finish it up. Last night it got too late. 4 in the morning, you know, comes real quick. So.
Also, I'm missing the dash, all that stuff.
Yeah, dash and all that stuff. You already know what's good. You could imagine what's the dash and console and all that's gonna be. I can give you a hint, but you don't need that.
So, he has the Black Ops Auto Works carbon fiber hood. This is the sniper hood, right? This is a sniper hood, and so, as you can see, he has 3 vents on each side. These vents are functional, so they allow for some heat extraction out the hood. And then he still has a front heat scoop. And then I'll let Jose talk about the latches as well.
Yeah, so these are arrow catch latches, right? So we threw some arrow catch latches on there for him, so that way his hood can stay nice and safe. It doesn't fly off like they say. These hoods are really light, and they're recommended to throw some latches on there. I'm gonna pop that other one on that side.
Gotcha. So with these, you actually can paint them. You want to paint them, and so you're not gonna open the hood all the way. It's a little bit dirty under there, but as you can see, you know, the hood still opens and functions like it should, and the latches sit in the hood like this. But you can paint these, color match them to your car. We just left them this finish right here. For right now, we'll probably end up glossing them later on. So, but that's kind of how they work. Arrow catch hood latches. So, these you don't have to worry about the strings coming from the bumper hitting against the paint or sitting out and, you know, giving it that old school look. It's more of a modern car, so you want something more sleek and refined. This is what everyone's been waiting on. We have one of the first sets of variance wheels done with the carbon fiber lip. These are a 3-piece wheel, and so we have a custom 3-piece wheel. You know, we picked out every spec, spec'd to the wide body, and so we have the carbon fiber lip, as you can see. And I'll let Anderson pull the blue tape off. We went with the gunmetal finish, kind of a crinkle finish to give it some texture, and then you have the gloss carbon lips. You have the floating spoke, and so the spoke is floating, which allows us to give it more of a concave look inside. And then we also went with the blind bolt option. What that means is you don't see the hardware, but if you look back here and you really want to get critical, they are a real 3-piece wheel, because you have your bolts on the back that keep all the wheel pieces together. This is the front wheel, and I'll let Anderson show you the back wheel real quick.
Pull it out.
Here we have the variant wheels, 3-piece wheels. Like you say, with the gunmetal and carbon fiber finish. This is the rear wheel. So with this barrel, we're talking a 13-inch rod wheel in the back. And so if you go down here, you can see the pieces to the wheel. You have your front, your back, that's 2 pieces, and your face is 3 pieces. And then you have your bead in the middle, which keeps the wheel from leaking. So, my man got a custom set. I don't know if there's been another one done in this color combination, but you know, we handpicked out every feature, and hopefully to give them a nice look. And so, I'll go ahead and pull this blue tape off, and let's see what it looks like. Looks like they packaged them up pretty good. Help me with the other side, Jose.
It feel like Christmas right now. I kind of like the blue tint. It looked pretty good before.
There you go. Yeah, there you have it.
Oh yeah. I think that's gonna be
Here you have it, carbon fiber lips. So it's not vinyl, not hydro dip. We went with the real carbon, so that's one way you be unique. How you like it, man? What you think?
Looks good.
It's all right.
Good. Yep, almost there.
Almost there? Okay.
Yep.
My man never happy, so he said he got more for us. So we'll keep the mods coming.
We're working on it.
Yes, sir.
We're working on it.
Alright, so that was just a quick little video to give you an update on Anderson's car. We get a lot of emails, calls, and questions about it, so we want to show you guys what he has planned and, you know, kind of his new look for 2020. Thank you all for watching. We'll keep the videos coming, and we'll see y'all on the next one.
Wait a minute. He ain't even say something at the beginning of every video, what you always say.
No, I didn't even say it. Hey, modfx TV, we live.
We live.
We out. You missed the camera. You threw a weakness at
You can edit that part.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try. We're gonna do a couple takes.
Just aim at the microphone.
Aim at the
Hit the
microphone.
microphone.
Alright, ready? Hold on, one more time. Give me that shit. That's